Hello students, in this video we are going to solve question number 4 of exercise 9.1. The question is the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point. This word is important over here, from. Okay, we are talking about angle of elevation and it is from a point on the ground which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower. Okay, so we need to understand the question and accordingly we will draw the diagram. So I'll draw the diagram now. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground. So let this point be here, okay, and then which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. So this is away from the foot of the tower. So let me draw a tower over here. Which is 30 meter away. Which is 30 meter away from the tower, and the angle of elevation is like this. Okay, so this is making 30 degree, and we need to find the height of the tower. That means this is what we need to find. So let us solve this question. Let this point be A, C and B. We'll describe about the diagram over here. So in the right triangle ABC, what is AB? AB is height of the tower. What is AC? And the point C, and point C is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. From the foot of the tower. Okay, so which ratio that we can use over here is tan theta. Tan theta is what? Tan theta is opposite upon adjacent. Okay, so this we know, that is the base, that is 30 meters, and tower is what we want to find. So tan theta will be opposite. Opposite is this, opposite upon adjacent. Okay, so we'll use that. Tan 30 degree equals to opposite upon adjacent. What is opposite? AB, and what is adjacent? AC. The value of tan 30 we know, and that is 1 upon root 3 equals to AB is what we are looking for, and AC is 30. Therefore AB is what? 30 upon root 3. As we know, root is not allowed in the denominator, so we need to rationalize it. So what we are going to do, 30 upon root 3 into 30 upon root 3. So this will be 30 into root 3. 3 into 3 is nothing but 3. Okay, so this will be 3 ones are and 3 tens are. So it is 10 root 3 meters. So we'll write it down, the final statement. Therefore, or thus, the required height of the tower is 10 root 3 meters. I hope you have understood this one. Thank you.